how to change your app icons to tinted style on your Mac. Firstly, we want to open our system settings, okay? And we can find it at our bottom bar. And from this menu, we want to look for appearance. So it's over here under accessibility. And now we have option to change our apps to tinted. So if you click on this tinted, you can see my widgets are already like changed. Also the app icons at the bottom. And then you have three options. You can make it light, dark, or auto. So if I choose dark, you can see everything is going to be like dark. I would say this is better than light for me. And you can also choose auto. And then you can also change different styles. You have like, let's say clear, dark, and default widget style. And this was a quick video how you can change your app icons to tinted style. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.